Hello, and welcome to day 5, Friday, October 2nd. We are in our last day of the second module. Here is what we'll do today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click on Async. You have 2 activities to do in Async today. The first one is an Achieve 3000 reading. This is your first official article for the month. Remember, you have to read at least 4 articles and up to, or not limited to, 10 articles for the month. You are going to read the article, Living Around the World. After you read the article, you will do the activity. Remember, you have 26 minutes to do the activity. Try to get 75% the first time. You can do it. Click here to access the article, and then you will log in, and it will take you directly to the article. Remember, you read the article, and then you do the activity. That's it for your Achieve 3000 assignment. Your second async activity is the deliverable for the week, which is SMART goals. Earlier this week, we talked with our classmates about goals. You guys all talked about short-term goals, and we introduced SMART goals. So you're going to think about one of your short-term goals and think about how you are going to make it SMART. What can you do to make this goal achievable? Okay, so you're going to type this in a document. You click My Document after you finish reading the directions. Once you click My Document, the document should open up here. You're going to describe your short-term goal, a goal you want to complete in 6 months, and then you will type in how you're going to make it specific, how you're going to make it measurable, how you'll make it achievable, relevant, and time-bound. What can you do to make this goal SMART? Remember to check for spelling and grammar, and when you are finished, you click Submit. If you are having trouble seeing your document, remember to click here, Can't see your document, and it will ask you to connect with your Carlos Rosario email. And that's it for async activities. It is Friday, so we will not meet together as a class on Zoom, but we will have conversation and yoga. And I will also be available in Zoom for questions. So from 10 to 10:40, we will have conversation circles, speaking practice. From 10:40 to 11, we will do some yoga. You are welcome to come to the Zoom room if you have any questions or comments or concerns about any assignment for the week. And that's it. Have a great weekend.